In today's video, I'll be talking about candlestick. For you to be a profitable technical analyst, you must understand what candlestick is all about, how to use it, and the types of candlesticks we have in the market. So definitely watch this video to the very end. If this is your first time on this channel, please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so that you receive updates like this whenever I upload a new video. Also check the channel for other forex videos and educational content. What is a candlestick? Candlestick is a way of showing information about an asset price movement over a specific period. So if you are trading the usdjpy, you can see some of these candles on your chart. It is just a way that we use in interpreting what price have done before in the market, so that from what price have done before, we can use that information that is on the price chart and tell what price is going to do in the future. So that is what candlestick is all about. So it allows traders to interpret price movement quickly. So let's say, for example, you have the line chart on your chart right here, and this does not really give you enough information about what price did in the past, even though you use the bar chart as well. The bar chart does not really give you enough information about what price did in the past, but the candlestick gives a perfect information about what price did in the past, taking into consideration the high and the low, the close, everything about a particular asset within a specific period. So it is also an important part of technical analysis when you are trading. So candlestick is a way that we show information on our chart about a particular asset and its movement over a period of time. And we have different kinds of candlestick in the market. We have the normal candlestick, which is the one you are seeing on the chart right here, and we have the hollow candlestick, which have holes. If you come here to where you see candle right here, you click on it, and then you click on these hollow candles, you see it forms holes. Okay, and the next kind of candle here is hurricane ashy candle, which is very important part that I'm going to be talking about in one of the videos to come about divergence, how you can use this kind of candlestick to figure out important hidden divergence on your chart. So if I come here right at this point and click on this guy, it will bring up this very kind of candlestick. It is a kind of candlestick that you can also use on your chart. And the last kind of candlestick here is rainbow candlestick. And if you go here and you can see the rainbow candlestick at this very area, so you can use any of these candlestick for your trading. All the candlestick does for us as traders is that it's a way of showing information about an asset price movement over a period of time, because every candlestick must have a specific period. Unlike what I am using right now, I'm using a 1-day chart. You can decide to be using the 1-hour chart, 4-hour chart, 2-hour chart, 3-hour chart, as the case may be. Okay, so this is very important. And the next thing here is types of candlestick. So we have two major types of candlestick. We have bullish candlestick and bearish candlestick. A bullish candlestick means that the price of a particular asset is moving upward. So if I change this back to the normal candlestick at this very point, you discover that the market is moving upward from this very point, okay, to the upside. So this form bullish. So in as much as price starts here and move upward to this very point, it means that the market is moving upward. And when price is moving upward, or when the price of a particular asset is moving upward, we said the market or that very asset is going bullish. So therefore it forms a bullish candle. And on the other hand, when price is moving downward, in this very case right here, it is called that price come downward, okay, in this specific time, and form a bearish candlestick. So this very particular asset price move from this very area down to this very point, and for the fact that price move downward, it will definitely form a bearish candlestick within this very specific period. So what you need to do as a technical analyst, your first journey to technical analysis, you must know what candlestick is all about, and the types and kind of candlestick and how to use them. In my future video, I'll be talking about candlestick infrastructure, okay, how to properly interpret what you see on your chart, be it a bearish candle and a bullish candle, and also how you can differentiate between a bullish candle and a bearish candle when you don't color code them. Let's say, for example, all these candlestick turn white. How can you differentiate between if a candle is bullish and bearish? That video is coming in the future, so definitely keep an eye on this channel when I release that very video. If you are new to this channel, please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification to receive updates like this. Also check the channel for other forex videos and educational content. If you have not registered with any broker, check the description of this video, see a registration link, and register with my recommended broker right below this video. Thanks for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.